Hi guys, my name is Harleen Whitney. I'm here to share with you a quick fix for a cluttered bookshelf. So we have a bookshelf that has a lot of office paperwork on it. That paperwork was sort of in the storage room and now it's sitting on this bookshelf because we've repurposed that other room. And so in order to kind of organize some of that clutter, I'm going to be using just storage boxes that I found at our local dollar store. So these ones here, I was able to, they had them in, different sizes. So bigger ones, smaller ones. I've just purchased the ones that seem to fit our needs for the bookshelf that I'll be organizing. And I've gone ahead and purchased about 8 of them. So these 8 here. I'm sure you could also purchase them at Walmart or a home storage store as well. So now we're going to go ahead and organize this bookshelf and make it more visually appealing. Okay, so I'm going to take you there next. So this is the bookshelf that I would like to organize today. So as you can see, it's filled with a bunch of random paperwork and clutter, which is not nice to look at. So I'm going to be putting all of this stuff into the storage boxes that I purchased. I'm going to now go ahead and open all of these boxes and start to lay them out onto the bookshelf, and then we will fill them up with all of this clutter so that it's a little bit more organized and just nicer to look at. So I'm going to start building these boxes now. So I've got one here in my hands. You just open up the packaging. These ones, you just pop them open like this, and then there's this insert. So you open up the insert like that, and then you pop it into the bottom of the box. So they're very easy to build, and I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of them now. So the 8 bins that I was building are now complete. So now I'm just going to figure out which items we want to keep from that bookshelf and which ones we want to get rid of. So here's the completed project, guys. The paperwork has been placed into the bins, and then I've placed the bins onto the bookshelf. So a very quick and easy project, and also super inexpensive, and it just looks really nice. Thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully you found that idea helpful. If you are interested in maybe more ideas, please subscribe and give me a like. Thanks for watching.